This video explains how to create a new custom role, Test Manager. Hover over the users in the main menu and select Roles and Permissions. Click on the New Role button. Enter the role name, and optionally a description. Now you need to select permissions that will be granted to this role. Scroll down to the permissions related to the tests, surveys, and training courses. For a user to manage tests, at least the following 3 permissions must be assigned to this role: page access, assign group members, and fully manage personal tests and surveys. Other permissions are optional. Detailed instructions for each permission listed can be seen in the right column. Note that you can fully manage the level of access of test managers, as this is a custom role. For instance, if you want to grant a higher level of access to this test manager, you can allow them to manage any test, survey, or training instead of only those where they are assigned as a test manager. This permission implies that the test manager can view the test questions. Therefore, this box will be automatically selected. Optionally, you may permit test managers to create new tests, surveys, or courses. Once finished, click the Create button to add this role to the system. A role code will be assigned and used for importing users through an Excel file. Let's assign a test manager role now to some users. Navigate to the profile of some users, and from the drop-down menu, choose Test Manager and save the changes. Let's now access the application as a test manager. You can see that test managers can access tests, surveys, and training courses and manage them. For example, view the question or unsuspend this suspended test.